Understanding eToro fees is crucial for anyone looking to trade on the platform. eToro is a social trading and investment platform that allows users to buy and sell various assets, including cryptocurrencies, stocks, and commodities. To get started, it is essential to know the different types of fees associated with using eToro. First, let's talk about the spreads. The spread is the difference between the buy and sell price of an asset. eToro charges a spread on each trade, which can vary depending on the asset being traded. For example, if you want to buy a stock, you will pay the ask price, and when you sell, you will receive the bid price. The difference between these two prices is the spread, and it is a fee that eToro charges for facilitating the trade. Another type of fee on eToro is the overnight fee. This fee is charged when you hold a position overnight, and it can be either a percentage of the position size or a fixed amount. The overnight fee is designed to reflect the cost of maintaining an open position, and it can vary depending on the asset being traded. eToro also charges a withdrawal fee, which is a flat fee that is charged when you withdraw funds from your account. The withdrawal fee can vary depending on the payment method you use, so it is essential to check the fees before making a withdrawal. In addition to these fees, eToro also charges an inactivity fee. This fee is charged when your account has been inactive for a certain period, usually 12 months. The inactivity fee is designed to encourage users to remain active on the platform and to cover the costs of maintaining inactive accounts. To minimize eToro fees, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the different types of fees and how they are charged. One way to reduce fees is to trade with larger position sizes, as the spread and overnight fees are usually smaller for larger trades. Another way to minimize fees is to use a payment method that has lower withdrawal fees, such as a bank transfer. It is also essential to be aware of the market hours and to avoid trading during times of high volatility, as the spreads can be wider during these times. Additionally, it is crucial to set a budget and to stick to it, as this can help you avoid overtrading and minimize fees. In conclusion, understanding eToro fees is vital for anyone looking to trade on the platform. By knowing the different types of fees and how they are charged, you can minimize your costs and maximize your returns. Remember to always check the fees before making a trade, and to use the payment methods and trading strategies that work best for you. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can navigate eToro fees with confidence and achieve your investment goals.